Good morning, students. Dear students, today we will discuss about the types of chemical reactions. As you have learned that a chemical reactions are the process in which breaking of old bond and formation of new bond are take place. Here we will see that how many types of chemical reaction. Okay. So if we will discuss about the types of chemical reaction, then we can tell that it is first one is the combination reaction. Combination reaction. Okay. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. Third is displacement. And fourth one is double displacement reaction. Okay, so total 4 different kinds of chemical reaction we have: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. Now we will see double displacement reactions, or we can tell that double decomposition reaction also, but we will see how it will be. Now first we will discuss about the combination reaction. One example, suppose first is the combination reaction. Dear students, by name it is indicated that combination means combine, means it is a chemical reaction in which two or more than two reactants molecule will combine together to give a single product. For example, suppose calcium oxide which will react with carbon dioxide to give calcium carbonate. Here two component, first and second. By the reaction of these two, we are getting one product. This is the solid, gas, and this is also solid. So here combination, both will combine. Similarly, suppose another example, if you want, formation of ammonia by the Haber process. Formation of ammonia by the formation of ammonia by the Haber process, in which nitrogen will react with hydrogen to give, this is 3H2, to give 2NH3. 2NH3. This is gas, and it is also gas. So this reaction occur in the presence of Fe, and atmospheric pressure is required. Pressure and temperature is needed for it. So here this is the formation of ammonia by the Haber process. You can see two components react together to give a single product. So it will come under the combination reaction. Now we will discuss about the decomposition. Second is the decomposition reaction. Second, decomposition reaction. See, dear students, decomposition means it will decompose, means single reactant molecule will decompose to give more than one product. Okay, for example, suppose calcium carbonate, which is solid material, after heating it will convert into CaO, which is solid, plus CO2, which is gas. So you can see here one single product break into two parts. So this will come under the decomposition, means in which it will decompose. Similarly, if you want, then you can give the reverse of it, reverse of this reaction. Or if you want, suppose you have ammonium chloride NH4Cl, okay, which is solid, by heating it will convert into NH3 plus HCl. So what happened, my dear? One single product break into two parts, 1 and 2. So it will come under the decomposition reaction. Okay. Now I am going to give third one. Third reaction. Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which, see, displacement in which one substance means one group, one ions or group of the atom will replace to the another from its compound or molecule. Understood? For example, suppose you are sitting there, I am coming and when I will replace you from your position, so it is said to be the displacement reaction. For example, suppose zinc which will react with CuSO4, this is solid, here it is aqua, then what will be the product? Please write it. Hurry up. Fast. See, this is more reactive element. Here you have to see that the atom or group of the atom which will replace to the another one should be more reactive. Here zinc is more reactive as compared to copper. That is why this zinc will replace the copper from its aqua solution. Okay, from its aqua solution of the salt. So what will be the product, beta? This is Cu plus ZnSO4. Okay, it is solid, it is aqua solution. That is why you can't keep copper sulfate solution in the container of the zinc. Why? Because zinc is more reactive, so it will replace the copper from its salt solution and it will convert into the another product. These all are the chemical changes, na? Okay. Now one more example I am going to give from here, from the displacement reaction. Suppose beta you have Cu plus AgNO3, silver nitrate. It is aqua solution. This is solid. See, copper is more reactive as compared to silver. You will know about it from the reactivity series. So after the chemical reaction, this copper will replace the Ag and you will get CuNO3 twice plus 2Ag. Now if you want to balance it, then it is balanced. Understood, my dear? Last one is a double displacement reaction. 2 times displacement will take place. Next one means fourth is double displacement reaction. Double, see, this is just like the previous one. Remove it. So displacement reaction, but which displacement? Double displacement reaction. So double displacement reaction is 2 times displacement will take place. Okay, means exchange of the ions from 2 different molecules. For example, suppose you have ZnCl2 plus AgNO3. So what will happen, my dear? ZnCl2. So zinc which is more reactive, it will replace the Ag from its nitrate solution. So what will happen? ZnNO3 twice plus AgCl. But how many Cl, beta? 2 Cl. So you have to write here 2 Ag. So here 2 Ag and 2 NO3, 2 NO3. It is balanced. Here both will be the aqua solution. aqua solution, and you will get the precipitate, white precipitate of the, this is white PPT. So it is also known as precipitation reaction. It is also known as precipitation reaction. One more example, suppose Pb lead acetate CS3 COO twice, which will react with Ki potassium iodide. So what will happen, my dear? PbI2, which is yellow precipitate, yellow in color, plus potassium acetate CS3 COOK. This is potassium acetate, but 2 acetate, so you have to write here 2. This is 2. This is the balanced one. Okay, my dear. So this is the types of chemical reaction. Now further in the next class we will classify this decomposition reaction, how many decomposition reaction, how many combination reaction, how many displacement reaction. So we will discuss later, but mainly 4 types of chemical reactions are present here, which we have discussed here. First, second, third, and this is fourth one. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.